Okay, so recording going on. Okay, so my lab professor, hi Reza, and this is regarding the Python assignment one. And my name is Ashish Shari, and my student ID number is 101423478. And I'm here to explain my code uh, for a summary. And I have firstly created an employee's number with a sample employee list so that if it's a empty array, then it was difficult for me to directly go to this tab because there is no discount number or like employee ID to add, employee to like verify. So it will crash. So I just created the sample, and also for the item list, I've created sample data one, two, pen, pencil, and first for this part, first half of the part, I've created um all these proving things, that is like getting valid number types, employees, discount number, to like verify it, if the user input puts any values, and also if it's an so for this get valid output, I have put dot strip, and also these numeric, so that it shows, and it will show this, it will print this one in case they put some thing other than numbers, or if they put no values or no. So secondly, I have added get valid type with a parameter prompt, and prompt message, and like comma and types, which is here, which is the type here. And whenever the user input any of these types, then the program gets to the next value, because I have added get valid type here. So it usually checks for the function here, and it'll just go through steps and make sure that user input these two values types. And also for this get valid, I have created this function before it, so that it also checks for the number, other rather than the user input just put a string or something, and it will show an error. So I have created this one, and also I have added enter your discount number, and also it verifies if it if it's already available in the list, so that no duplicate employees are created with the same employee ID and different names. And it breaks whenever it's done this way, and else there will be a discount name number. It'll just print this value. And after this, uh, I have added the append thing, which creates these employee ID, name, type, and worked purchase number. So after this one is created, it usually prints these values with the employee IDs created successfully. So after this step, I have just created a defined print employees, where it prints all the employees that are created, and with this indexes till 5, so that these are all print, to make sure these are all are printed. So I've created this one, print employees. So just this goes to this value and just prints everything. Then I have also added, like, if you wanna like continue to add new employees, and if it's an S, then I've just created create employees, and this directly go to the this step. Also, if it's a no, then it just exists here. And secondly, uh, have gone to define print employees, which print all the employees basically. Oh wait, I think I've added this one by mistake. Okay, right. Uh, Now I've created define create item page, which asks for the item number, or please enter the item number. For these things, have also created a UI design of it. So the whenever user input 1 2 3 4 5, it goes directly to that page. I mean, if it's I've created like while this is not 5, he'll just go to this. If it's a 1, this goes to create employees, and else if it's like 2, this goes to this one. 3, then this goes to here. 4, this goes to here. And if it's a 5, this goes to the exit page. That is like print exiting the program. Thanks for using this program. So okay, so coming back to this one, uh wait a sec. Oh, there's an error. Okay, yeah. So coming back, so I came to like define a create item page. So please enter the input item number, get valid input number, and also item name and float, so we can add like point values, because prices are always in like point 0.9 and stuff. Okay. So I've also added these to add this to the list, so that this prints out the print items, which is this one: item number, item name, and item cost. This also prints these indexes 0, 1, 2, that is 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So next I have gone to and it also checks for discount number, like if and also if you're going I mean like the make purchase. um, if a employee put a discount number, it asks for the discount number. So this like this whole function just creates a summary thing. So for the summary thing, I first ask for the employee discount number, and like I have also created this thing which like basically checks if it's actually in there, like all discount numbers should be unique. So I've created like it should like verify it, and if it's available, then it actually goes to the next step. So otherwise it'll say just this is not and not found and all, yeah. Okay. So next I have created after this step, after this is valid, it goes to this step: item number, and like please enter a valid ID, item number. And this also checks for like this checks in the item list, which is this one, item list. So whenever I enter 1 or 2, it says like it's not available, like that item is not there first, like uh, yeah. Let me go to this one. uh, mm, yeah. Okay. um, I think there's an error. Yeah, there was some mistake with the number. Okay. What I was talking about is if it's there's like two types of discounts. That is like 0.2, 0.02, that is 2% for the hourly. That is like for each year's worked, it multiplies. And also there's like 10 extra for these managers, so I've created that thing. And also like uh, also I've created uh, like after this thing is valid, this goes to this step, which is like item successfully discount purchase with this discount number. And this gives the summary page, which is like print employees. And then this goes to if, and it also asks like if you want to like add another purchase or not. And I've done that. And if I press yes, then it goes to make purchase, then again it goes like that. And if not, it goes to this one. Sorry, yeah, this goes to like if I press yes, do you want to go to main page, then this goes to uh, menu page, menu option, yeah. Okay. So that's how for the print employees, I have created a function here, define function, and whenever I write print employee summary, this goes to this page. Like it prints out, basically it prints out everything. So let's try this. uh, let's create let's create let's see it has created all the employee summary. And also if I want to add an employee, create an employee, I can just write wait yeah, yeah, okay. So I have if I'm going to like create employees, he just basically types me to like, you can like add anything, hourly, years, discount number. It has created everything. Okay, so that's how it basically works. And if I press 5, if okay sorry, if I press 2, then it creates item. And like uh, yeah, there's an error, sorry. uh, yeah,